Check in, watch out now. This is how I'm going with this one. Put in back them speaker, yeah? Yeah? Speaker they look loud. Speaker man paint with them black something, you know. Speaker paint. EV and I make it loud. Alright, people always ask me about stand box. Two things I see people ask me about, you know. They ask me about stand box and they ask me if me always play my sound. Two answer me I go give you. Stand box, yes, me have stand box. I don't really use my stand box them because they both loud and most of the places them when I go play small. So I have one little power the EV box. Me use the EV box there all the time. Because the EV box are nice to use. You put it near the console. So if it deaf selector play, you turn up the EV box in 9 years and you can mash up your sound. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how much stand box I have in a minute. Selector now. Any selector play my sound. The only way a selector will don't play my sound is if he not have respect for my sound or respect for the promoter and him party. Yeah, I'm going to explain what I mean by that. Alright. If a selector book for play, he can play for my sound. But he cannot play for my sound if he choose to come 11, 12 o'clock. No. Me not allow selector to come and play 11, 12 o'clock. Unless me aware of the situation where the selector go through. Because you have some selector where they only tell themselves say them to come play a party when crowd did it. And they can make a money at the time. Then I believe in a come early and build a vibes with the people them will spend early. Because people come a party early. People come a party 4, 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. People they are party them the time there. And you as a selector, a good selector, if you come my people them party, come play a early round. I mean a 8 o'clock round or a 9 o'clock round. The party will nicer because most of the people them will come 7, 8, 9 o'clock. If them hear good music them the time there, them will stick around. So come and play a early round, a 7 o'clock round. Play from 7 to 8 and then cool out till 10 o'clock. No problem, none of that. Or even 10, 11 o'clock, cool out till them time. It no matter to me. Once you play one time already, you can play sound any time in the night. But if you come and work, the other night me I play somewhere and a selector come to me 12 o'clock in the night and say he want to play for the sound. I say, brother, you crazy? Me don't even ask him if he book for play. I say, you crazy, man? And it's a selector will live up the road. The man live up, the man saying up and yard and hear sound a play. And it's go easy for him because no electricity never did there. A generator me a play for, and the man there up the road from which part the sound a play. And the man come to me now after 12 and I tell me say want to play. I say, brother, go sit down, man. I say, go sit down. I know that. Because you don't respect me, you don't respect the sound, you don't respect the promoter. Because at them the time that you want to play when crowd turn up in front of the dance. Yeah, crowd did it turn up. At the time you want to play. So I'm the whole time when the sound did play and you're up in your yard, sit down and listen to the sound. But you never come 6, 7 o'clock or even 6 o'clock in a day and play half an hour or an hour and go back to your yard, go cool out and come back in the night and play again. No problem, none of that. But when you come them the time of night, that just tell me say you're not business with nothing. You come to play when the party hot. Not my song. I talk too much. Anyway, alright, move on to the stand box business. Stand box. Me show you what I go on out so. This is the amount of stand I have. I don't even think me need so much. But me get them for a price. Me get 3. Me get 3. A 3 me get? No remember. I think a 3 me get. Or 2. When me buy my bass speaker, then me get 3 or 2. I don't want to tell no lie. Between this. But me didn't have them one a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, me did have them 5 yeah. Long time. 6, 7, 8. There yeah, 3 me get. Them 3 yeah. A 3 new one. Alright. So me have 8 stand. Paint me go paint them, you know. I go freshen them up. See me stand box them, you know. Me have 4 double. 4 of them are exactly the same. See that? Them one I hardly use. So if you see them crisp, they hardly use. Them one they hardly use. Them one I know I want them when me use. You can see work on them. See them dirty? Me use this too. And me use that one often more than the rest because it's light. I mean weight wise, not plane wise, because plane is loud because I want EV night. Yeah. Them the one I know, them I want to work all the time. See, I'll just keep fly out of that speaker. So, I'm going to fresh up the white part of them. By moving and moving them, the white part get messed up. So, I'm going to clean them up, put some paint on them. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one next single box like this with 112 in height and 2 tweeter. And then me have a powered box. So that make 4 on 1, 5 and 2 more make 7. So in all me have 7 stand box. Yeah. 7 stand box. You want one more? No, me not make no more. Alright. Video it from front? Yeah. Ready. 5 of them ready. Ready for paint. Yeah. I'm gonna put them up high because I have to go reach them, you know. All the top of them I have to go paint, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on white. Normally I always pull out them screw there. Now I not pull out the screw them this time. I don't have the time. I just have paint. The black part now paint. Each one of them have one black side. Because I did left them side of it to get the rough treatment. So if you lean it down, you lean it on the side of black. Yeah. Alright. Right now I feel junk. Like the sun junk me. All white paint already. Yeah, so I'm done with white. Me alone put on my shoes to go out this I'm afraid. Because the heat. My shoes feel heavy. Put them on still. Crocs, you know. All crocs we feel heavy. My paint is stand them, but how me reach? I think I 6 stand my paint and 2 left. Yeah, it lasts in one them out there, so. My paint 6. The 5 have one box and 1. Because really and truly, a 6 me I go use mostly. Yeah, but me I go paint it in one of them also. Me feel like I need some water. I need to cool off a little bit. The sun junk me. But then look good. Looking good. Yeah. Alright, now me turn them. So all of them have white face this way. Yeah. That look good. The white get lowered again. I have a pink and white sound, you know, so I have to keep up it. You can have white box and white box look chippy and old. You have to keep on paint them. So that is it right now. I get some water for drink and then we go paint them 2 N1 there. See, me have to get one half a black fit and up and for paint the top. All I tap them paint still. Yeah. Yeah, man, clean and nice. Me I stay away from the sun in the people. Me now go out there right now. The sun, I go on one kind of way like so it I say, yo, mash up the place.